The MEP program has networked with the Appalachian Ohio Manufacturers Coalition President and Vice President. AOMC seeks to connect youth and workers through skills, training, and credentials to enter and advance in manufacturing careers. MEP partnered with the state of Ohio to have a month-long event, Manufacturing Days, that focuses on upcoming workforce, which included manufacturing companies and schools throughout Ohio. The purpose was to bring awareness to our youth that the stigma of manufacturing is dirty work, when in fact, manufacturers use state-of-the-art equipment in controlled atmospheres. MEP has been working with a major manufacturer in the region, Conn's Potato Chips. Due to the pandemic, Conn's relied heavily on e-commerce. We are building a modern website designed to streamline navigation, increase web traffic, and result in higher sales. MEP also brought in a film crew to produce a video that's featured on the website describing the long history of the plant.